Welcome back this week, sixth graders. We are going to proofread and edit today before tomorrow and the day after. We write our hooks, our intros, and our conclusions to our memoir speeches. Go ahead, open up your Google Drive to this document, to your speech, and then jot down on your paper your favorite simile or metaphor that you used in your speech, and then just circle right here. Is it in memory 1, 2, or 3? Okay, and so remind by jotting it down right here, what is the tone of your first memory? So just go ahead to the first memory. What tone did you choose? Jot down that tone. Sorry, guys. Right here. Okay, and now copy down a moment from your speech where that tone is very strong and obvious. So if your tone right here is humorous, find the most humorous part of that memory and copy it down right here. If you can't find something really good to put right here, then that means that you should probably go back and edit that story a little bit to make sure the tone is really, really strong. You want your reader to feel whatever you put right here. Go ahead and jot that down. Okay, so now's a challenge box. I'm going to challenge you guys with 2 specific things to see who can do this the best in their paper. If you are in Mr. Amadio's class, this first one may not apply to you, but try to follow along anyways. You're going to go back and add 5 words to your writing that you have learned from either Apples to Apples or the synonym antonym card game. So jot those words below. So if you are in Howard, try and think of just like 5 really strong vocabulary words or synonyms, words that mean the same thing, as something you put in your speech. Jot down those 5 words, everyone, right here, and then go and add them to your text. So Spell House kids, if you have the word happy anywhere in your speech, you should go ahead and change that, because I know a lot of you learned synonyms from the card game for happy. Write those 5 words here, change them in your text. All right, and now challenge 2. Go back to your memoir speech and try and find at least one more place that you can add a simile or a metaphor. You should already have at least one in each story, so that should be 3 total, but I want you to add one more somewhere. So go ahead and add it. Okay, and then just circle which did you add, a simile or a metaphor, and then jot down right here whichever one you added. All right, so what I'm going to have you do right now is just go through, keep editing, add more detail, make it even stronger, add similes, metaphors, make sure capital letters are correct, stuff like that. And then once I see that everyone is just sort of through editing and the sheet is done, we may do some peer editing.